In this video, we're going to explore how you can use the array fill in JavaScript. And this is very useful if you have an existing array but you want to fill up the array because, for example, you have a target and you want to adjust the target, especially in Chart.JS. You want to readjust the line in a chart. And it can be very useful only for certain practical applications. But let's explore how you can use it so you have a better understanding of it. And if you are interested in Chart.js, check out my Chart.js course on Udemy. You can find the link in the description box. Alright, so let's look here. Let's say we have here a sales, or let's say make a constant. And this constant is an array. And this array, we will create here, let's say sales target. And what we have here is a number, let's say 100, 200, 300, and 400. Alright, so we have this number here. And what we're going to do now is we create a console.log so we can log or check our response here if you type in this sales target here and save this. Once we save this, refresh here, you'll find here that we get 4 arrays. You can see here the number. So this is all fine. It shows everything here. However, what we want to do now is we want to adjust this. How we can do that? We can do it with the fill method in JavaScript. So we say here, for example, here we're going to readjust that. So the question is first, with what value are you going to fill it up? Let's say we're going to fill up with 100. So now what happens is all these values will become automatically 100. So refresh now. And you can see here I have to refresh a few times before it starts to respond. Everything is 100. And this is very useful for specific items. For example, and this is always with Chart.js, always interesting. You have a line chart and you have a bar chart. So it's basically a combination chart. And what you want to do is you want to see if you hit a certain target by creating a line on the chart. In that case, you can adjust this and see which person is hitting the target and which one is not. And this can be very efficient for that. So if you like these kind of videos about Chart.js, subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions regarding to this, just put them in the comment section below.